So the pteridophytes, they are classified into four classes. So pteridophyte has the four classes. The division pteridophyte has the four classes: the Coelopsida, that is Coelotum; Lycopsida, that is Selaginella; Lycopodium; Phenopsida contributes to the Equisetum; and Pteropsida, Drypteris, Pteris, and Adantum. So these are the four classes of division pteridophyta of kingdom Plantae. Okay, so the gymnosperm, they are heterosporous. That means they produce the two kinds of spores. That is, one is haploid spores, that is the microspores, and one is the megaspores. And these spores are produced within the sporangia. It is kind of a sac-like structure, sporangia, that are born on the sporophylls. These are the extended form of leaf appendages which are arranged spirally along an axis to form an lax or complex strobili or cone. So they get converged and they forms a lax type of compact thing, all these sporophylls. So sporophylls bearing the sporangia, they form the strobili or cones. The strobili bearing microsporophylls and microsporangia, that is this type of sporangia for male, and microsporophylls, that is the leaf appendage, they get compact and they are called the microsporangiate or male strobili. The microspores inside the this microsporangia, the small microspores, they develop into male gametophytic generation, which is highly reduced and confined to only a limited number of cells. So this reduced gametophyte is called the pollen grain. And the development of pollen grains takes place within the microsporangia, the cones bearing megasporophylls. Now talking to the female part, megasporophylls, the same megasporophylls, that is leaf-like appendages, and then at the tip they constitute an ovules, that is megasporangium, completely called as macrosporangiate or female strobili. Now, the male and female cones or strobili may be born on the same tree, that is the pinus, and if they are born like in cycles, male cones and megasporophylls on different trees, the megaspore mother cells is differentiated from one of the cells of the nucellus. Nucellus is enclosed by an envelope and the composite structure is ovule. Those are born on megasporophylls which may be clustered to from the female cones. The megaspore mother cells divides meiotically to from four megaspores. One of the megaspores within the megasporin develop into multicellular female gametophyte that bears one or two archegonia or female sex organs. The multicellular female gametophyte is also written within the megasporangium on the female parent sporophyte. So yeah, this is the gymnosperm. So talking about the pteridophytes, so the pteridophytes, they are mostly the homosporous, but when they are the heterosporous, that is they have the two kinds of spores, that is one larger is macro and one is smaller spores. Now the megaspores and microspores germinate, this one for female, this one for male, germinate and give rise to the female and male gametophytes. Gametophytes, these are the structures that produce the gametes for the future fertilization, so respectively. Now these female gametophytes, luckily in these plants, are written on the parent sporophyte, that is the parents who takes care of their children in case it is female gametophytes for variable periods. The development of zygotes into young embryos takes place within the female gametophyte, and this event precursor to the seed habit considered important step in evolution.